Spring is a season of renewal, making it the perfect time to refresh your farmhouse decor with a blend of elegance and rustic charm. Imagine a home bathed in soft natural light, where vintage elements meet contemporary sophistication. By integrating warm textures, nature-inspired accents, and classic farmhouse aesthetics, you can create a timeless atmosphere that feels both inviting and rejuvenating. Let's explore inspiring ways to elevate your space this season. The foundation of a timeless farmhouse interior lies in its color scheme. Soft, neutral hues like creamy whites, warm beiges, and gentle grays set the stage for a space that exudes tranquility. To bring in the essence of spring, introduce pastel accents, blush pinks, soft blues, or sage greens, through textiles, ceramics, or floral arrangements. This harmonious blend of tones creates a soothing and elegant ambience that feels effortlessly fresh. Wood is a signature element in farmhouse design, bringing warmth and authenticity to any space. This spring, embrace aged and reclaimed wood in the form of exposed ceiling beams, weathered coffee tables, or hand-carved decor. A simple wooden dining table, adorned with linen runners and wildflower centerpieces, becomes an inviting space for gatherings. Mixing with tones, from deep walnut to sun-kissed oak, adds depth and a sense of timeless character. Spring farmhouse decor isn't just about visual appeal, it's about creating a space that feels inviting. Layering soft, breathable fabrics enhances both comfort and style. Think lightweight linen drapes that dance with the breeze, cotton throw blankets casually draped over a vintage armchair, or hand-woven jute rugs that ground the space. These textures create a sensory experience that feels effortlessly charming and luxurious. Every timeless farmhouse home tells a story, and nothing does this better than vintage and antique pieces. Hunt for rustic treasures like weathered cabinets, distressed picture frames, or enamel pictures at flea markets and antique shops. A well-placed aged mirror or a wrought iron chandelier adds a touch of history and sophistication, making your decor feel curated rather than mass-produced. These one-of-a-kind elements breathe character into your spring sanctuary. Spring is synonymous with new life, and nothing brings a farmhouse to life quite like fresh greenery. Opt for lush eucalyptus wreaths on entry doors, ceramic vases filled with wildflowers, or cascading ivy on rustic shelves. For a truly timeless touch, dried flowers, lavender, baby's breath, or hydrangeas add long-lasting beauty. This infusion of nature not only enlivens your space, but also fosters a deeper connection to the changing seasons. The heart of every farmhouse is its kitchen, a space where rustic charm and elegant functionality come together. Open shelving adorned with ceramic dishes, vintage glass jars, and copper utensils evoke a sense of nostalgia. Consider a butcher block island as a focal point, offering both beauty and practicality. An oversized farmhouse sink, paired with brass or matte black fixtures, adds timeless appeal, making the kitchen a space of comfort and connection. Spring calls for an open and airy living space that feels both serene and stylish. Swap out heavy winter decor for woven baskets, lightweight linen cushions, and soft-hued ceramics. A slip-covered sofa in crisp white or a light taupe exudes understated elegance, while a rustic coffee table with delicate spring arrangements adds warmth. Maximize natural light by keeping window treatments minimal, allowing the beauty of the season to flood your home. Transform your bedroom into a tranquil spring retreat by embracing layers of softness and charm. Crisp white bedding, linen duvet covers, and hand-stitched quilts create an inviting haven. A vintage wooden headboard, complemented by antique bedside tables and delicate table lamps, enhances the rustic elegance. Add subtle floral patterns through accent pillows or wallpaper for a romantic nod to springtime, making every morning feel like a fresh start. A timeless spring farmhouse is more than just decor. It's a feeling, a lifestyle, a celebration of warmth and renewal. By blending rustic textures, soft colors, vintage treasures, and organic elements, you create a space that feels authentically yours. Whether entertaining guests or enjoying quiet mornings with a cup of coffee, your home becomes a sanctuary that embodies the beauty of spring and the elegance of timeless design.